Hi, this is Karen from Food Jazz, presenting food with a little jazz. Today I'm making my orange chicken recipe. This is so easy and you're gonna love it, so let's get started. I'm using chicken thighs that I've cut up into bite-sized pieces, but you can use chicken breast if you prefer. Salt and pepper it really well. Next, to a mixing bowl, add in some flour and some cornstarch in equal amounts. Give this a whisk around until it's well combined. Next, you will need 2 beaten eggs. Add the meat to the egg mixture. Toss it around to coat each piece well. Next, add the chicken to the flour mixture. Give it a good toss around to coat each piece. And shake off any excess flour. Heat up some oil in a frying pan to about 350 degrees. Add in the chicken, being careful not to overcrowd it. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and then drain it on a paper towel to absorb the excess oil from the chicken. Set the chicken aside and let's get started on the sauce. In a saucepan, add in some orange marmalade, along with some barbecue sauce. Add in some soy sauce and some sesame oil. Mix everything together and heat it up to a boil. Add the chicken to a bowl. Pour the sauce over and give it a good toss, making sure to coat each piece of chicken. I like to top it with sesame seeds or green onion or both. Please like, share, and comment on this video. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe and hit that bell for more easy to make recipes like this one. Thank you so much for watching.